for a question like this, you may be initially thinking, well, maybe we can use our program solve systems, which is a good thought. However, notice that we need the two equations to be in standard form. Now, the first one wouldn't really be hard to get into standard form because you could just move the x over and then you have xy equals, in this case, r represents some number. However, we need to know what the number is and we don't. And so we can't really use solve systems in this case. And getting this one into standard form would be a little bit of work. Now, if instead we're trying to figure out what value, which we don't know, is going to make it so that they have infinitely many solutions, this is one of those, in my opinion, rare scenarios where Desmos is superior to either an algebraic approach or even using a graphing calculator program. So let's go to Desmos, which is in the upper right corner of both our software as well as Blue Book, which you'll be using on the digital SAT. And here's something that's pretty neat. Well, first, if you have anything already in there from a previous problem, you'll click Edit List, and then you just click Delete All. But notice, we're gonna type in x plus 6y. I like just using my keyboard, but you could use the keyboard that they provide down here. And I'm gonna use that r, and then we're gonna click to add a slider. So let's go back up here, finish typing minus 2x. We'll press enter, and we'll go ahead and do this other function. Whether you do it as 2 or something down here doesn't really make a difference. So we'll go ahead 2x plus 4, type the whole thing. And when you do 1/2, I would just do 1 and then slash and then 2 and then go to the right. By the way, for the plus sign, you can hold shift and press the key that's to the left of backspace on your keyboard, and that'll do it. We'll go in here. We have 16. Let me just make sure I have it all. Yep, plus 2x. So now we're at the point where we're trying to figure out what would make these infinitely many solutions. For that to happen, the lines need to literally be on top of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this. Well, if I go to the left, it's making them farther apart. So I wanna go this way. I'm going in the right direction. Oh, but I ran out of space. So let me go ahead and edit this slider. So I just clicked up here and we're gonna change it. We know we need to get bigger than 10. So let me say from 10 to 30. And then we're just gonna go by, I didn't even have to put anything in the steps. I'm just gonna go here. Oh, that wasn't even enough. So let me go bigger. Let's say 50. All right, let's check it out. And I'll just click the step button. All right, here we are. Oh, close, right there. So 33 ends up being our answer for this question.